Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This time we will present about our research with the title The Primipara Reproductive Performance of Bali Cattle with Natural Mating Compared to Artificial Insemination, with the author Yazid Fridi Ramadan, Adi Tiawarman, Hamdani Maulana, and the corresponding author Endang Baliarti. The introduction. Productivity improvement of Bali cattle through artificial insemination in West Nusa Tenggara has been widely performed. The percentage of farmers on Lombok Island who use injectable mating or artificial insemination method in 2013 has reached 30%, while 70% of other farming still use natural mating. Bull straw that use are from selection result with superior quality. Fetus that's produced will grow faster and bigger. Natural mating use bulls which is owned by farmers, small and careless. Artificial insemination produce calf with greater body weights than calf from natural mating. And generally, the heifer first mate have not reached body maturity. Then the heifer is still experiencing body growth. In general, cattle are first mated after showing sex maturity and have not reached the adult age of the body. The heifer is still growing basically, and the development of the reproductive organ is not yet complete. A bigger fetus requires more nutrient to grow. If there are not enough, the cow will take it from the body and cause a drop condition, which can affect the reproductive performance after parturition. Then that's why the planning on the first mating and how artificial insemination affect the first mating has not been widely studied. Even though this information is important. There is currently no information on the reproductive performance of Bali cows raised by farmers using a different first mating method. Thus, research is required. Materials and methods. This research was conducted in Central Lombok Regency, West Nusa Tenggara. The study was conducted in December 2020 till January 2022. The study was conducted through interviews with 44 farmers as a respondents, and the sample used 50 Bali cows with minimum of 2 parturition and divided into 2 kind of samples with the division of 19 first matings naturally and 13 first mating with artificial insemination. The farmers were interviewed using questionnaires to help remember farmers' recording of their cows' reproductive performance, also helped by inseminator. The reproductive data taken include the first age of estrus, the first age of mating, gestation length, calving interval, cervix preconception, postpartum estrus, postpartum mating, and estrus cycle. Special arrangement for cattle mating are implemented by Bali cattle farmers in Central Lombok Regency. They are used kind of bull with the same nation that is Bali cattle. In the determination of estrus, farmers usually observe change in the condition of the body and the behavior of their cows. Some frequently used sign of estrus is female cows are the vulva reddening and secreting mucus, restlessness, and moaning all day long. Then the obtained data were analyzed by independent sample t-test using statistical package for the social science or SPSS program. And the results and discussion, actually the farmer will mate his cow when the cow has shown signs of riding another and removing clear mucus from its vulva. Most farmers choose to mate their cows with artificial insemination, with the reason the fetus is better and greater than that of natural mating. However, there are some breeders who mate their cows with natural mating methods because it is easier and has high success or lower cervix preconception. Breeders who apply the first method of mating to heifers by natural mating choose bulls or males based on the availability around them. The quality of the available bulls also has a size that is not too large because there is no special treatment on their maintenance. Technical natural mating is carried out by herding males and females together on a larger area of land. This is the table of analysis reproductive parameters. The data shows that significance value on cervix preconception, postpartum estrus, postpartum mating, and calving interval. The factor can be affected cervix preconception, that is low quality of straw for artificial insemination. That's why the cervix preconception in artificial insemination group higher than natural mating. And the other factor affected the postpartum estrus. The secretion of the hormone prolactin during lactation calf can lead to inhibition of the secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone such as follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Negative feedback. Low production of follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone results in the growth of ovarian follicles becoming undeveloped and cattle not showing estrus. And the conclusion, the reproductive performance of balikos with natural first mating, which include cervix preconception, PPE, PPM, and calving interval is better than the first mating by artificial insemination at the maintenance of farmers in Central Lombok. Thank you for your attention.